Welcome to your weekly Staples Pilot Store training video, your launchpad for learning a little more about SquareTrade and help you increase your attach rate. I'm here to ask for your help, but first I'd like to talk to you about 3 words which I think can make all the difference with selling more SquareTrade. The first word I'd like to talk to you about today is assumptions. Projecting our values on our customers will not lead to success. For example, if you have the feeling, I hate to bother the customer when I know that they're only browsing, we need to overcome that because that comes from our fear and anxiety. Secondly, if you have that feeling, I hate when customers are only browsing, they are wasting my time. I have so much to do. That's an example of misaligned objectives, and we need to overcome that. That's being too task-oriented versus being customer-focused. The second word is the 3-letter word, why. When your customers say no or no thank you during your SquareTrade recommendation, always follow up with that simple question, why? Let the customers explain why they don't want to protect their device. You may learn that the customers had a prior bad experience with warranties, for example, and you can overcome their objection by directing the customer to our 5-star ratings and to your 2-day service guarantee, which is an exclusive with Staples. And our last word of the day is failure, which I think is both a good and bad word. Bad failure to me is when we don't consult with the customer at all about their SquareTrade protection options and the value of the service every single time. Not offering every single time is when you fail your customer. If, however, you ask every time and in a quality way, even if you fail on one day to get attached, your manager and myself will count your efforts as perfect. And there's always the next day, so try. And lastly, back to my earlier request for help. When I come to visit your pilot store, I want to know about your successes and challenges, and so that together we can work on improving your attach rate. If this video training tips has helped you, please make comments and questions in the section below. And until next time, I'm Mark Doty. Thank you for joining me today, and sell more SquareTrade.